this is gonna be a little different.
Imagine yourself dealing with a rain leak for 2 years and replacing your deck 4 times with 4 different deck contractors, but you still have the leak. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly what to do when you have these mysterious leaks coming into your home, causing damage from rain. Folks, I've seen it all, and today is gonna be highly educational. So if you're a homeowner, you're gonna wanna listen up. I guarantee you're gonna learn something out of it. So it's not as exciting as rats, but it's highly educational. So let's get started. So right off the bat, never, ever, ever listen to your contractor, whether it be a window contractor, a deck contractor, a roofing contractor. I don't care who they are. If they're not a rain leak detection specialist, they're purely making assumptions, and you cannot listen to them. Now, if they're willing to put it in writing and say, I guarantee you, if I replace your deck, it's gonna solve the issue. If not, they're responsible for everything. It must be in writing and hold them accountable. So let's go down there right now, and I'm gonna show you the preparation that it takes to get to the bottom of these leaks. All right, so what we do is we always build a critical barrier. We don't want dust and particulates spreading into the indoor air of the home here, right? We don't know if there's mold inside here, right? The ongoing leak issue has always been in this area, which is right where the sliding glass doors are, and then this is the deck portion. So let's go ahead and get this all set up, and then I'll take you to the next, one of the most important steps with identifying the rain leak. So I can't stress enough how important it is to open up ceilings and walls. What we're looking for when we open up the ceiling, it's just like rats. You know, we can detect how rats are moving through a structure with their black sebum, right? Same thing with a rain leak, especially if it's been going on for a long period of time. You can actually see which direction that water is migrating through the structure. Got some signs of termites. This is what moisture does. Okay, so you can see that there's more water damage right here. And if we look at the plywood is showing a lot more stainage here. So right where the center, actually center between these 2 windows is where we're gonna go up top now and identify where this is at. I don't know if I should be giving this tip away, but I will. All right, so when it comes to rain leak detection, we always start at the lowest point and then work our way up. Why? Could be the deck, could be the doors, could be the stucco, could be a lot of different things. Could be that electrical fixture right here, right? But if we start running a bunch of water everywhere like most people do, you're never gonna pinpoint the source. Could be multiple leaks, so you have to be patient. We have to reenact the rain, but we're gonna focus on the lower part, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. The other point of isolating each step or each substrate is that we can document and show who's negligent as it relates to who caused this leak, right? So if it is the deck guy and it's 4 different deck companies, well, guess what? The last one that replaced this deck is going to be on the hook for it. Or if it is completely something else that has been causing this leak here for 2 years. So it's going to be interesting where this leak originated. So what we're going to do is use waterproofing tape. We're going to seal up these scuppers here. We don't want water going out. We want to add some water pressure to this deck. Hydrostatic water test to this deck material. All right, now it's time to turn the water on and start filling this deck up. That tape is holding. Yeah. So we're right above the 2 windows. This is the center. So straight across. So right here, I'm assuming is where the source of the leak's gonna be. Not quite the center of the door, but right over here. What's your prediction? Where do you think the leak's coming from? The deck, the doors, the stucco? Leave in the comments.
10 seconds later.
Okay, the guys are screaming. Water's coming down. I gotta release this. Well, that was fast. Let's go see what's going on. Mucho agua? Same place?
Yeah.
Same place?
Yeah, right there, right there.
Oh yeah. Here. Same place, man. Look at that. Sheesh. So we barely started. It's the deck. The deck. We didn't touch the stucco. We didn't touch the sliding glass door. This right here proves it's the negligence of the decking company. All right, deck companies. Not trying to be a deck, but this is your fault. So we gotta document this for the homeowner. She's gonna be shocked. So what we'll do is we'll leave our air scrubber and dehumidifier inside the containment, extract that moisture, then we can come back and when the deck gets done, they may hire us to come back, test that work to confirm before this ceiling gets patched up.
24 hours later.
Well, the deck company is second guessing my test. He's saying absolutely it's not the deck, it's actually the door frame. And I keep telling him, I said, look, I did not raise that water level to that door threshold. I'm headed back there now to meet him, conduct another leak test to confirm and verify that it is the deck. I'm hoping I'm not wrong, because he does say, hey man, I've been doing this for 30 years and I back up my work, and we did the test as well, and it's the door. So we're gonna conduct this leak test one more time. Oh yeah, I'm not worried about it.
I want to get 3 people just to
Yeah.
come to DC, so I build the shit. And then I got my window guy coming.
We're back. All right, guys, here we go. So you can see.
Discoloration?
Well, no, you see, if you stand here, you see a little bit of water seeping at the bottom, right here. Oh yeah, yep. Whew. That was a close one. I agree. I think the door needs to be waterproof, but we can all agree that I had the water
Yeah.
below that, and it's still
I saw it.
leak. Okay, good.
Put a pan.
Do you guys need me for anything else? Are we good?
No, we're good.
Good. Nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, take care, buddy.
All right.
Bye-bye. Bam. If you have a rain leak causing damage inside your home, don't make assumptions. Call a leak expert and identify exactly where they're coming in. This deserves the rain leak dance.
We will see you on the next one.